In Xinjiang, where harsh cold and sandstorms prevail, the stable operation of charging piles serves as the key to ensuring the smooth operation of new energy vehicles. Recently, emergency situations occurred at client charging facilities in Xinjiang requiring immediate support. Upon receiving the client's urgent request, Sanco's team promptly convened an emergency meeting to strategize solutions to ensure uninterrupted client operations. Technicians and sales personnel immediately embarked on a nearly 10,000-kilometer inspection journey across northern to southern Xinjiang, thoroughly examining each charging station. Persevering through sub-zero temperatures, the team maintained dedicated operations at the sites, leveraging professional expertise and dedication. They efficiently completed troubleshooting and repair operations. This embodies not merely responsibility, but Sanco's core mission: technical proficiency and service excellence.